What is IntelliGarage? Did you close the garage door? No one wants to place themselves in a vulnerable, high-risk situation by being slack in their home security. Leaving the garage door open accidentally is an easy thing to do. We've all done it at one point or another in our lives. An open garage door provides an easy access point for criminals, but IntelliGarage iGx device provides an easy solution to keep burglars away. Change your life by giving yourself that much-needed comfort of knowing that security is only a few clicks away. Imagine being able to check the status of your garage door from anywhere in the world. The ability to check the status, open and close your garage door wirelessly from your smartphones. Introducing the revolutionary vendor-independent 1430 IntelliGarage iGx devices, the newest and most innovative device integrated with IntelliApp available today to give you and those you care about complete peace of mind. Easily and effectively monitor your garage door from remote, communicating wirelessly using your iPhone and Android-based smartphone devices. Monitoring your garage door from remote has never been easier, revolutionizing the way we see our garage now. Interested? 1-855-YEAH-IGX. www.intelligarage.com